Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious rice flour pancakes. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Don't forget 1 large egg and 1 cup of milk. Finally, have a small amount of cooking oil ready for the pan. These simple items are all you need to start. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the rice flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a light, airy texture. It's time to cook your pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious rice flour pancakes are ready. Serve them warm for the best experience. You can top them with your favorite fresh fruits, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. For an extra treat, add a dollop of whipped cream or a pat of butter. These light and fluffy pancakes are perfect for a special breakfast or a delightful brunch. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.